She's planting in the rain, just planting in the rain.
Not planting, planning.
Planning, N-N. In flip-flops.
In box.
And now, part 2. She's planting in the rain, just planting in the rain.
What a glorious feeling. We'll have lavender again. Okay. Garden is coming along. It's not finished yet, but I couldn't resist the urge to get out in this rain and plant some lavender and admire the rock, the wet rock in the rain. Not quite finished, but you can see how beautiful this labyrinth is going to be in our peace garden. Have a nice day. Stay dry. By rain and we work by night. We work. But oh, what a sight. So, getting the energy vortex copper pipes installed tonight. And we'll check in the morning to make sure they're still plumb. Actually, looking at the video, I can see a few are still a little bit out of plumb. But there you go. Work. Fun.